Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package, as well as the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, as well as that nice backup camera. This vehicle also comes equipped with a 20-inch 6-spoke dark alloy wheel, which provides a nice clean look to the vehicle. We also have mud flaps in both rear and front mud flaps, as well as a gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. We do have cameras on each mirror, as well as a nice LED light. And moving to the front here, we do have front view sensing, those 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera right there, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, but if you don't need that 5th person, you can always pull that down for an extra armroom and 2 cup holders. We do have a black perforated leather with gray stitching and brown accents on it. We also have brown accents on the door, which is also leathered. Plenty of door space. A B&O sound system, which is a pretty nice sound system for this vehicle. 2 cup holders, 2 heated seats back here, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Taking a look at the driver's side here, we can see the seats are powered, as well as having some nice chrome accents. We do have that black leather perforated seats with the brown accents and gray stitching. We also have that brown leather on the door as well. Memory seating for up to 3 people, and tons of door space. We have our parking brake right there, our pedal adjuster, 2 blind spot detections, and a tailgate opener right there. Looking at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 11 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel that's also heated. As well as on the steering wheel, you have your toggle for your main screen up there, your phone and media controls, volume and voice, and your cruise control there. On your main screen, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking to the side of me, we do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible, which provides you a lot of extra space. You do have a nice little phone slot here, 2 cup holders, a wireless charging pad, a fair bit of space down there, a USB-C and a USB. This also closes, which is pretty nice. We also have a nice brown leathered center console here, which can be lifted up, providing you with a lot of extra space. This can be moved side to side or taken out completely, providing you with a USB and a USB-C. We do have our drive modes right here with our rear axle lock, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. Looking at our drive modes, we do have normal, tow and haul, eco, sport, and all the way to the right here, we do have slippery, deep snow and sand, mud and ruts. Looking over here, we do have heated and cooled front seats and dual climates, so no need to fight over the temperature. Your media controls are right there, 12-volt outlet and a 120-volt outlet right there. And looking up here, you have your auto stop and auto start, your 360 look at the vehicle, your park aid, hazards, and your traction control. Looking at your main screen up here, you do have your audio, your phone settings right here, navigation so you don't get lost, your fave apps such as email, messaging, settings. This vehicle does come equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot, apps such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings such as radio, navigation, connectivity, vehicle hotspot, and so on and so forth. Features of the vehicle such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, owner's manual. And looking above my head, we do have a rear window opener, as we can see there, which is always pretty nice. And we do have our functions for a twin panel moonroof, which provides a lot of excellent lighting. The stock number for this vehicle is KF41996, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.